Now, one of the big reasons schools are canceling classes because of roads like this, and now the city of Detroit is playing out its plan to keep them clear. 7 Action News reporter Kiara Hay continues our team coverage with the preparations underway to protect drivers.
City crews will begin salting the streets starting at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it's not just on main roads, but in neighborhoods too. David McCall says he knows how to prepare for a Michigan snowstorm.
Got 2 snowblowers in the backyard right now, finna gas them up.
McCall has lived in Detroit for decades, and he says it would take weeks for the city to come out to clear the streets, if ever.
Been just slipping and sliding. People's out here doing their own.
I'm not gonna wait for somebody else to shovel my snow.
Rufus Bartell founded Simply Casual Clothing Store on the Avenue of Fashion 16 years ago. He says years ago it was mandatory for businesses to take matters into their own hands, but now things are changing.
I don't have any complaints.
Both Bartell and McCall says the city is doing a better job clearing busy roads and neighborhood streets. Today, Detroit Mayor Mike Duggan says they will do more.
We don't send the contractors into the neighborhoods till all the snow has stopped. In this case, we don't think we can last that long.
Starting at 6 a.m. Thursday, 5 contractors will begin salting neighborhood streets and continue plowing until 6 p.m. on Friday. And if more needs to be done, they'll be back at it again Saturday morning.
We want you to prepare for a 4-day job, Thursday through Sunday, to get every neighborhood street cleared.
To prepare, the city is asking people move their cars to the garage or driveway if one's available to you to avoid being snowed in by the plow. And they're also asking for patience.
360 days a year, you are glad you have the speed humps. But there are 5 or 6 days a year when we're plowing residential streets that it slows us down a little bit.
But whatever comes Bartell's way, he's ready.
This is Detroit. You know, we gonna take whatever comes. I mean, we survivors.
And one thing to note, if you're parked near one of these signs, you have until midnight tonight to move your car, or you could see a ticket on your windshield, or worse, it could be towed. In Detroit, Kiara Hay, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much, Kiara.